Good day. Could you please introduce yourself?
Good day to my future employer in Hong Kong. My name is Mary Grace Bisca. I'm 35 years old. I have two kids, 15 years old and 9 years old. I'm I'm have I have a live-in partner. I'm Christian. I live in Sucat, Muntinlupa, Philippines. My first job
As a domestic helper.
as a domestic helper in Philippines. 3 members, 2 adults, and 3 years old boy. And the second experience, 4 members, 2 adults, and 2 children, 6 years old and newborn baby.
Okay, can you tell me your main duties?
My main duties there is taking care of their children, especially the newborn baby,
What else?
feeding the baby, feeding the milk of the baby, cleaning, cooking, pet caring.
Okay. Okay. I saw that you have experience in taking care of a newborn baby.
Yes.
Can you tell me how do you prepare the milk of a newborn baby?
First of all, I wash my hands and the bottle and put some milk of the bottle and check the temperature of the baby and feed them.
Check the temperature and give it to the baby. Okay. If the baby is crying, how will you handle the situation? Only you and the baby are in the house.
I check the diaper and the temperature. If the still crying the baby, I will feed them, and if it's still crying again, I will check the temperature and tell the employer.
Tell the employer. Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because the biggest higher in salary. This is the biggest help for my family and the safetiest country.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 or more as long as they want me.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby again?
Yes,
Okay. Is it okay to you to share with kids or elderly?
yes,
Is it okay to you to take care of elderly?
yes,
Okay. Is it okay to you to cut your hair short?
yes,
Okay. If one of the member of your employer don't know how to speak English, is it okay to you to learn Cantonese?
yes,
Okay. Uh, is it okay to you to have alternate day off?
yes,
Okay. Do you have any allergy?
no,
Are you willing to share a job with other helpers?
yes,
Can you promise not to use cell phone without the consent of your employer during
yes,
working hours? Okay. Are you prepared to eat the food that your employer provides?
yes.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I promise I'm loyal, trusty, God-fearing. Thank you.
Okay, are you a hardworking person?
Yes,
Okay. Thank you so much. M5837 Miss Mary Grace.
thank you.